Are you worried about retirement? If so, you're not alone. Many people are anxious about whether or not they'll have enough money to live comfortably in retirement. The shocking truth is that many people don't start planning for retirement early enough. As a result, they end up scrambling to save money in their later years. That's why it's so important to start planning for retirement early. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Here are some essential retirement planning tips for beginners. And set goals. What do you want your retirement to look like? How much money will you need to live comfortably? Once you have a good understanding of your goals, you can start to develop a plan to achieve them. 2. Choose investments. Where will you invest your retirement savings? There are a variety of investment options available. So it's important to choose ones that are appropriate for your risk tolerance and time horizon. 3. Create a budget. Once you know how much money you need to save and how much you'll be spending in retirement, you can create a budget to help you track your progress. 5. Review your plan regularly. Your retirement plan should be a living document that you review and update regularly as your needs and circumstances change. Here's a tip that most people don't know. When planning for retirement, it's important to consider your long-term care needs. Long-term care can be very expensive, so it's important to have a plan in place to pay for it. Now that you know some essential retirement planning tips for beginners, it's time to start planning for your retirement. But before you do, here's one last question for you. Are you waiting until it's too late to start planning for retirement? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.